If you're using FBA, it's important to understand how Amazon handles FBA customer returns and refunds. You'll also want to know how to manage unsellable items that are returned, since they can impact your business. FBA takes care of the logistics of customer returns, from arranging the shipping to customer refunds. When customers aren't satisfied with their purchase from the Amazon store, they can return the item per our policy. You can learn more about the FBA customer returns policy for refunds, returns, reimbursement, and replacement from the help page in Seller Central. Note, in general, customers can return an item within 30 days after delivery, but products in certain categories may have different return windows, and some may have longer windows. For instance, during holidays, we offer an extended holiday returns window that allows customers to return an item beyond the 30-day period. Once a customer returns an item, a refund will be initiated, and your seller account will be charged for the refund. You'll receive an FBA notification email with the returned order details. You can also view a list of returned FBA purchases on the FBA Customer Returns Report page. For more information on refunds and reimbursements, search FBA Customer Return Reports in Seller Central. Once we receive the returned items, they're inspected at the Amazon Fulfillment Center. Amazon determines their condition through a process called returns evaluation, and we perform advanced checks to detect customer abuse. After our evaluation, we classify the returned items as sellable or unsellable. Amazon investigates unsellable items to identify who caused the damage and categorizes them as either defective, expired, damaged, carrier damaged, or customer damaged. Sellable items will go back to your inventory and become available for sale. You may receive a reimbursement for unsellable items that are damaged and carrier damaged. This means the damage happened in transit or at the fulfillment center. For these items, Amazon will provide a reimbursement based on the FBA Inventory Reimbursement Policy. You can check out this policy in Seller Central for more details. So, what happens to unsellable items not eligible for reimbursement? Some may be eligible for liquidations. You can set removal orders and recovery services automatically with FBA settings. To access FBA settings, click the gear icon at the top right of the Seller Central page. Then click Fulfillment by Amazon. Scroll down to Automated Unfulfillable Settings and click the Edit button. Here you can choose to enable the Automated Unfulfillable Settings, choose whether inventory will be returned or disposed of, and select the age at which inventory should be removed. Returned inventory will be shipped to you at the address you enter in the return address box. Keep in mind, items that are safety or health hazards are disposed of as soon as they arrive at the fulfillment center, regardless of your removal settings. These items include, but aren't limited to, broken glass, opened personal care items, consumables, baby items, sexual wellness items, and flammable substances. If you have enabled FBA donations, which you can do from the Fulfillment by Amazon settings page, then your eligible inventory will be donated instead of disposed. Make sure to check your customer returns on the FBA returns page regularly to identify trends impacting your business. Note that FBA returns are handled on a separate page from merchant-fulfilled returns. To navigate to the FBA returns page, click Inventory from the Seller Central main menu and then click FBA Inventory. From the Inventory drop-down menu, click FBA Returns and then click the Manage Return Orders button. The FBA Returns page shows the list of returns with status and important details, such as product name, return reason, and refund date, to provide you a better look into your returns. Use the search bar to look for a specific return and/or filter based on customer comment availability and refund date. You can sort your list by order ID, return reason, return authorized date, customer refund date, unit received date, and disposition. At the top of the page, click Return Insights to go back to the previous view and get data that'll help you analyze return trends and discover top return ASINs to help you make informed decisions. It's important to remember customer satisfaction is at the core of our business, and we value the relationships sellers build with their customers. We want to help sellers earn their customers' trust and increase their opportunities for driving repeat purchases.